In our last video, we learned that sleep is your immune system's best defense. It's when your body repairs, cleans, and builds its army. But what happens when an invisible force actively tears down that defense system 24/7? That force is chronic stress. Today, we're moving from the solution to one of the biggest problems: how stress wreaks havoc on your immune system. That looming deadline, that traffic jam, that constant worry. We often dismiss stress as just a mental state. But what if I told you that chronic stress is actively sabotaging your body's defenses from the inside? Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. I'm Dr. AB, and today we're exposing stress as the silent immune saboteur. First, understand that acute stress is normal. When faced with danger, your body releases cortisol and adrenaline, the stress hormones. This fight or flight response is life-saving for short-term threats. Your heart pumps faster, blood flows to muscles, and non-essential systems, including immunity, get temporarily put on hold. The problem isn't occasional stress, it's chronic stress. When your body stays in fight or flight mode due to work pressure, financial worries, or constant anxiety, that temporary immune suppression becomes long-term. It's like having a fire alarm that never stops blaring. Eventually, you stop responding to real emergencies. Cortisol, the main stress hormone, is particularly damaging to immunity. In small doses, it helps control inflammation. But chronic high cortisol reduces white blood cell production, shrinks the thymus gland, where T cells mature, and makes existing immune cells less responsive. It's like gradually disarming your security team. Here's the cruel irony. While chronic stress suppresses your adaptive immunity against specific threats, it actually increases general inflammation. This creates a perfect storm. You're more vulnerable to infections while also suffering from inflammatory conditions like autoimmune flares, skin problems, and slower healing. This isn't just theory, we have proof. In landmark studies, people experiencing chronic stress were 2 to 3 times more likely to catch a cold when exposed to the virus. The longer and more severe the stress, the more vulnerable they became. Your mental state directly predicts your infection risk. Stress also attacks your immunity through your gut. Did you know 70% of your immune system resides in your gut? Stress disrupts your gut microbiome, damages the intestinal lining, and compromises this crucial immune territory. This is why stress often causes digestive issues, alongside frequent illnesses. The good news? You can break this cycle. Even 10 minutes of daily meditation can lower cortisol. Regular exercise, social connection, and quality sleep are powerful stress buffers. Remember, managing stress isn't luxury self-care, it's essential immune maintenance. To recap, chronic stress elevates cortisol, which suppresses white blood cells, shrinks immune organs, increases inflammation, and damages gut immunity. The result? More infections, slower healing, and inflammatory conditions. Stress management is literally immune system maintenance. Your mental health and immune health are deeply connected. The next time you feel stressed, remember, calming your mind is strengthening your defenses. If this opened your eyes, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe to the Health Sketchpad for more health insights.